Hi friend, I am Nasser. You are watching Media Creation Club. Here I have brought another interesting video for you. How to make your appeal successful. There are many types of appeals like thumbnail removing appeal, copyright appeal, community guideline appeal. There are a lot of appeal regarding community guideline like wrong thumbnail, wrong content and something sexual content, violent content, community guideline strike, community guideline warning appeal. There are many types of appeal. I have counted maybe 8 appeal and many appeal, invalid click activity appeal. Okay, I have succeeded nearly all of these 8. And some I have failed sometime. I have a lot of channels. I have cooperated with other people. That's why I have got experienced on this appeal field. So there are the certain rules that you have to follow. Then your appeal will be okay. I will just tell you very precisely, randomly. If I just told you in story type, it will maybe more than 20 minutes. Yeah, I have forgot the reuse content appeal as well. So I have example and screenshot of many appeals that I proudly and happily succeeded. What the trick, what the hack behind it, what the ability behind it, the ability is simple. You have to be clarified first about your issue. Then you have to write appeal in somewhere like in reuse content. You have to give an video appeal. Otherwise, all appeals are in written. What you have to do, write a good appeal, recheck it. Appeal should be focused to your particular issue. And the third and fourth point is that the appeal should be not should be extra lengthy. It not should be in 2-3 sentences. Then the fourth or fifth point, I can say that appeal English language should be cleared according to grammatically. Otherwise, maybe rarely people see this appeal. Otherwise, the appeal are checked by Google algorithm, AI, artificial intelligence system. So your appeal will be concluded and executed, resulted by the computers. So in computer world, your usage of word and sentences should be standardized and at most in a grammatical way. Then you have to expect a good result from this appeal. Hopefully you got my point. I have tried my best to present this point in a very simple and dynamic and very precise way. Thank you so much, and please if you like our information that available in channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great time.